This one is the power bank for the hoverboard. You see hoverboard wheels. So I disconnect to check. So what is the problem? What happening? This battery is not getting charged. I think some batteries inside. These are the cells. It's showing 3.7 volt and 2000 mAh. I have here spare batteries. So I will check which battery is damaged. First we will check the voltage which is coming from the adapter. Okay, I will switch on the power. This is the adapter is 42 volts to ampere. So now power supply is ready. As you see, okay, check here showing 41.7, but here it is showing 41.7. It is supply going to the BMS. This is the BMS, and it is having about 10 cables, B1 to B10. So means there is set of cells. So two cell, and there is how many cells are? Two cell is parallel and multiple cell in series. So there is total 20 cells. 2, 4, 6, 8, 16, 18, 20 cells. So this means one pair of cell is parallel and 10 cells in series. So it will get if 3.6 volt, so 36 volt, and fully charged 4.2 volt. So it will come 42 volt. So that's why there is 42 volt charger is there. The problem is here I am getting 41 volt, which is going power supply to BMS. But BMS out, there is no power. So this means some trouble is either in the BMS or in the some of batteries are get damaged. So how I will check? So I will check one by one which set of cell is damaged. So there are different ways to check this one. One is you start charging without the BMS. That is danger. Only charge a little and check it is charging or not charging. Then little charging, you can check individual cells. Means this is one set of cells. Check here. It is giving any volt. This is after charging. Now I am showing only the how to do this one. And second is this BMS, this 10 wires. What is the purpose of these wires? These wires, from each set of cell at the end, these wires are there. This is not for the charging. This having checking the battery voltage, how much it is charges. Means if it is charged 4.2 volt, so these cells are being charged in series, but through the BMS. What it will do BMS, when it check each cell which is overcharged, and it will stop this charging, it will discharge this through this BMS system, and the one set of cell will not charge, other will continue charging. The set which is already fully charged, it will discharge through this BMS. Second thing you can do, you can disconnect one by one all BMS connections. Like this I will mark here. Okay, this I mark here. Okay, I will choose first the first pin. Okay, this is the first cable, and which one is nearby me? This one. This is the last cable after the negative power supply. So I will mark it. So I mark it as a 1, and on the BMS also I will mark this is here is 1. So next what I will do, I will disconnect this one. So I will change this one to there. Now here you can see soldering. So I will desolder it. So I dissolved it. So number 1 is dissolved. Now I will check the supply. It's coming to the power bank 41. Out of the power bank, still nothing. Now I will do one by one this one. So until I get the idea which set of cell is fully discharged or damaged. So I go to next one. I will disconnect this one. I will mark this one 2, and here also I will mark 2. Here I mark 1. Now again I will check the what power BMS is doing. It is giving here inlet voltage, and out of this one nothing. So one by one, actually I want to check is either this going to be solved the issue or not. If not, then after that we'll check one by one all batteries. 4 right here, 4, 4, then 5, and I will mark here. Now again I will check here any supply coming. So from BMS no supply coming here. Now I will go for the number 9. I am also disconnected. Only one remaining is 10. Check again time to time. Supply coming or not. So supply nothing. So some cell is battery damaged. It's because it is in series, so it's not giving voltage to pass through the series. So now I am here. This is number 10. So 10 number also disconnected. The another way I disconnect it because I have to replace cells. This is very bad condition. So that's why so this negative supply is going to the this BMS supply. Now all are disconnected. Again I will check here net supply is there, but out of the power bank means which is coming through the battery, there is nothing. Now after that we'll go through one by one. So this side I connect here and outside is not giving any voltage. Alright, so this means nothing pass through the cell. I will show you if I connect here positive, negative is giving 3.8 volt, right? It is actually giving direct 3.8 volt. But this our battery cell is not giving any supply, no voltage. Okay, negative side, one side I will check. Net here, we will go to standby, no supply, nothing, 0.3 volt. In between some cells are working. So what we'll do, we'll disconnect all the cells and check the damaged cell, and we'll replace with new battery cell and the same BMS we can attach again. I will check here if all disconnected. So BMS is not giving out power supply, so it's possibility also there itself BMS is damaged, because here it is giving 41 and out of the BMS nothing, because it is not getting the positive supply from any route, otherwise it is getting from here. So all disconnected, so it is not getting any power supply. So in the next video I will replace the batteries and I will show you how it is working.